Hi everyone, this is Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart or a diagram using ChatGPT completely for free. And there are two ways to do it. So the first one is with using Explore GPTs. So you have to look for Whimsical here, start chart, and there you go. Now I'm going to copy paste the prompt, which is in the description down below as well. So this is me asking Whimsical GPT to act as a seasoned academic with 25 years of experience in writing systematic literature reviews for high impact factor research journals. And now I want Whimsical GPT to create a flowchart on how to write systematic literature reviews. Okay, now you have to click allow here so that it will create the image. There you go. So this is a flowchart on how to create a systematic literature review. Okay. But also if you want to work with this, you can view or edit this diagram in Whimsical. So we have this nice diagram here now, and I can edit it. I can add more information. I can expand it however I want it. And it's really, really easy, right? And I can save everything right up there. So this is the method number one. And now let's move to method number two. So now we go to ChatGPT and I start with exactly the same prompt. Okay, so this looks great and there is a lot of information here. So now we have to turn this into an actual flowchart. The best way to do it is to ask ChatGPT for a mermaid code representing all of this information. So this is my second prompt and it is also included in the description down below. Copy the code, and now we need to go to draw.io, arrange, insert, advanced, mermaid, delete what we already have here, paste the code from ChatGPT, and hit insert. There you go. So this is the flowchart that's created for us. Now that flowchart is much more complicated. There's much more information here as compared to Whimsical. So the beauty of that is also that you can play with it, you can change colors, what it looks like, fonts, the size of the text and so on. And the beauty of this is that you can either save it here or you can save it as a high quality PNG image and use it later. And now regarding the troubleshooting this, the two problems I encountered is that ChatGPT would insert parentheses somewhere here. Now, if it does that Draw.io will have problems with the mermaid code. So just ask ChatGPT to remove the parentheses from the code. And the other thing that it did only once was that it split the code into two chunks. So just ask ChatGPT to combine the code into one single block. And that's it. Otherwise, I didn't have any other problems. It works very nicely and you can get, well, either using Whimsical, a nice flowchart diagram, or using ChatGPT only, something like this, which is also really, really good. So if you benefit from this, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.